Wanna know how to change your image sizes in your website using WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and easy, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your dashboard. Now, make sure you're under your website's dashboard or the WP panel. Make sure to watch our video on how to enter it as well. So, once you're welcomed with the dashboard, you can just simply scroll down until you see settings. Now, since we are trying to change our image size, head towards media right here. So that's only right with the discussion. And once you're under media, you should be welcomed with media settings. And under image sizes, here you can just simply change your thumbnail size to any width or height you want. So this is basically on pixels, so you can change accordingly. And once you're done, just simply click save changes. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily change the image size. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.